Let me transfer you.
Switch to Farm Bureau Insurance today and get real service instead of getting really tangled up. For auto, home, life, and health, get the membership advantage. Get Farm Bureau Insurance.
We wanted to conduct a fair competition, and we did. Both kids did a great job during the competition, and at the end of the day, we felt like Aaron earned the start against Virginia. Well, I mean, he had great leadership qualities. He did a great job with his teammates. He was able to move the ball in practice, and he took care of the ball. So, I mean, again, it came down to leadership, just quality, and his ability to move the ball.
I wouldn't say gut-wrenching. It was a long battle, and John's a great quarterback, and he really pushed me, and I think that made me a better quarterback. I guess the only thing is relief. Everything else, I'm practicing the same way. I'm being myself, not changing anything that way. So as far as that goes, I'm just trying to be me.
No, there's not much change in Aaron at all. He's kind of the same guy every day, which is good. When he makes mistakes, he doesn't panic, and when he has success, he doesn't he doesn't show too much excitement. But I think his approach to the game has been great so far.
I mean, it's only been one day, but I mean, so far, the offense is starting to, I guess, take on its own identity now that we have some positions in place, and so hopefully, we can keep improving, and come ready September 4th will be a pretty good unit.
Obviously, what we want to do is build as much chemistry with Aaron in the center and the offensive linemen and the running backs and receivers as much as we can between now and Virginia. But again, I mean, we're happy to have settled on Aaron, but again, we thought John did a great job too. It was a great competition.
John pushed me to be my best, and from that standpoint, I couldn't ask for anything more. I've come out of this a better quarterback.
These guys, they deserve to know who their quarterback is, and I think as long as they feel like he's going to give them the best chance to win, they feel great about it.